So today we're finally heading off to our trip, our little Euro work trip / vacay. So like I was saying, Mick has like a cookie online class that she'll be teaching there. Long story short, you guys will see when we get there. What really matters right now is that she might, like, I was telling her to bring some new Dunkies, like why not, like bust out some freshies. She's been holding on to these for a while. Open them up, show them what you got. Dang. So I know, look how fresh they are. They're like so clean and so fresh still. Wow. Exactly. Exactly. And they're like so crispy. Those are so clean. So yeah, she didn't know what dunks or shoes to bring for like the first half of the trip. So I was like, what do you have in your stock right now? So this is what she like had. I was like, dang, like what other fire is still in there?
I know.
Like the only dilemma is breaking in new shoes on the trip. Like I don't mind it, but I don't know how she's gonna feel about it.
I have to stand in them for
Yeah, I know.
12 hours a day.
Damn, they look so fresh though. Dang, that looks so clean though. Does it not?
It does?
They're pretty cool, I can't lie. They look good. How do they feel?
I probably won't do them.
You probably won't?
Yeah.
Too hard to
They're
break
pretty
a stiff. They do look really good though.
Oh my god, these laces are so tight.
I know they look very stiff.
They're like
oh, you're
loose.
tight. They're loose.
They're loose, but like so hard to like get tight.
Through the holes, I'm sure. The eyelids are probably like just tight with all that leather. Because that leather is like super, super soft. And like, oh, it feels like very stiff.
Stiff as hell.
Yeah, it would definitely take a bit to break them in, but...
I can feel like right here, they would like...
Oh, push on your toes. Yeah, I know what you mean. Damn. So maybe when you get back, you can start breaking them in.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's a no-go then.
I know. I wish... Like, my most comfortable ones are just the ones I don't want to, like, fuck up anymore. Like, I just wish I had these. Like...
I know. And it's crazy because these aren't even SBs, but they look like orange label SBs. And they have the gum sole. It's so funny. Like, everyone gets fooled by these.
They're so comfortable. My most comfortable pairing.
Yo, Nike SB. We should make these next. Just bring this colorway to the SBs.
I just feel like this material would be better to wear.
Than the Skate Like a Girls?
Skate Like a Girls.
You're so funny.
The Skate Like a Girls is like the fuzzy suede.
Oh,
and they're also like cream. So if I like get any icing on them, like
oh,
it's gonna not
that's
look
what you're
good.
thinking about. Okay.
Or like I feel like this would be like easier to like wipe stuff off.
Sure. I agree. Why don't you, rock those. Those are fresh.
And it has the gum sole too.
I know, the clear gum sole is always cool looking. I love that. All right, rock those then.
Yeah, I'll rock these ones.
Okay. Finally got everything packed in. I got my water bottle in there too somehow. I forgot I had the jacket and my little like sleepy neck thing I needed. I haven't even, it's going to be over 20 pounds now.
Yeah, it's probably like 22 pounds now.
I wanted to just try it out though, just to see how she feels. Dang.
Tell me you're backpacking through Europe without telling me.
How's that? Oh my god, it's so heavy. Feels pretty good.
Like it feels good. And then,
Yeah, especially when I put the things to hug me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I feel like once I unlock those out too, it'll be really good. I don't know why it's not.
It's twisted.
It's chill right now though. But yeah. And then also, yeah, put these bad boys on. Well, I'm gonna have to,
I know.
All right, and I'm gonna honestly just leave them probably like lazy like that, so I can like get in and out of security. Oh, is that fresh?
You have like a thing on your beanie.
What's the thing? Is that fuzzy?
It was like a twig.
Oh, weird. But yeah, Uber's coming and we got a lot of shit.
Yeah.
I know, I was gonna say that fit everything pretty good. Okay, so they ended up making me check my skateboard, I think because I'm going internationally. I don't think it's like okay on the British Airways. So we've literally gone from like 6 bags to like 2 bags, so it's not bad. Oh, and security looks pretty chill. Like it's not super gnarly, so I think we'll be chilling. Little card shark over here.
What can I say?
I love it. Love to see it, love to see it. Leaving San Diego right now. That thing is so big. catch some fresh air in between the 10-hour flight, you know? At least this one's only 4. Right? Looks so nice, huh? All right, well, we finally made it after what, like 14 hours?
Yes.
That was crazy.
More like 18 hours.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. Well, it's like 14 hours of flying essentially, 4-hour layover.
It's been 24 hours since we got in our Uber.
Oh wow, it feels like it has been. It feels like a full day. So now we need to figure out. We have so much luggage to grab. I feel like that's one of ours right there, actually.
Yeah.
Right? I think so.
It is ours.
It made it. I didn't think my board was gonna make it. I really didn't think so. When it wasn't sitting over there, I was worried. I was definitely a little worried. Oh man, let's hear that. Wow, literally everything. And it's like midnight right now, so the airport is empty. And so this is our room. We just checked in. It's like 12:30 or something right now. 1 a.m. right now. But yo, the street spots, we were driving by. We were driving by and the street spots over here are insane. So tomorrow when it's like bright out, I can't wait to show you guys like what all this looks like. It's insane. There's like flat bars everywhere. There's like just so many crazy skate spots that like don't even look real here. It's insane. I can't wait to skate.